Select Kia models offer over-the-air system updates which allow you to keep your Kia up to date wirelessly. This is a convenient way to update the infotainment system and certain vehicle systems. When an update is available, it is sent wirelessly to Kia vehicles that support over-the-air updates that download automatically in the background. When ready for installation, there will be a prompt shown on the infotainment system screen notifying you that the update is ready to be installed. Installation can begin when you stop the vehicle and turn off the ignition. Set the parking brake, turn off the exterior lights, and make sure the hood is closed. Next, the infotainment system will ask you to approve the update. Press Start to begin installation. To monitor the status of the update, press the ignition button once. Percentage of completion will be briefly displayed. During the update, you will not be able to start or drive the vehicle. If the system detects an issue with the update, it may stop the installation and call for roadside assistance. Once finished, a QR code appears on the infotainment system screen. Scan the code to see what was updated. If the over-the-air update failed and the vehicle is drivable, you should take the vehicle to the nearest Kia dealership. For additional information, please refer to your owner's manual, the Kia Features and Functions Guide, or the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.